Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. So last December we hiked the Mount Mariglam. So it was like our year-ender activity. So I went with my friends, like my long time friends, and we booked this through Biyaheng Chill on Facebook. So from van pickup, then van rental, environmental feels, and organizer sa local area, si Biyaheng Chill na yung bahala doon. So, we were just like chilling before the hike. We arrived to our base super early kasi sobrang aga namin. Then, we were chilling before the briefing and this was our first hike. So, just like any other hike, we go through the briefing, ganyan, and such. So, in Mariglam kasi, you have your choice if you want to ride kolang-kolang from base to the jump off, but majority talaga is nagko-kolang-kolang, and it was one of the best experiences I could say kasi ang saya niya to the point na trenopa na namin yung driver namin sa kolong-kolang. I think it was 30 minutes ride, and after that we arrived to the jump off, then that's when we start the actual hike. Yan! Tugtugan! Oo nga, hikwan pala. Okay, for the first two picks, so sa pick 1 and pick 2, wala masyadong ganap kasi it was still dark. But I swear to you guys na those first pick were the most challenging out of all during this hike. Kasi puro ascent talaga, like as in ahon talaga. But ayun nga, wala masyadong ganap. But nung nasa pick 3 na, medyo nagtagal kami sa pick 3 kasi may sunrise na, and then super feel na namin mag-city picture. But after nun, super easy na lang siya kasi medyo patag na, hindi na siya as hard as the pick 1 and 2. So super aga namin actually na rating yung pick 4, like depende talaga kasi siya sa ano niya, sa pace niyo guys. But don't worry, hindi naman pabilisan yung hike. So around 6:30, nandun na kami sa Tuktok. Almost the summit na, but ayun, nasa pick 4 na kami. And super ganda sa taas! Guys, super ganda. Oh my God, sobrang worth it.
Okay lang kuya. Konsensya na lang ng kaibigan ko yan.
Ayun yung dinaanan natin.
Yun, yung dinaanan.
Ako na naman.
Hindi po yan amin.
Made it to the summit and it was so pretty kasi super daming tao lang, but gets naman kasi dun halos nagpapahinga lahat bago bumaba. So after like 20 or 30 minutes bumaba na rin kami kasi medyo umiinit na, medyo masakit na sa balat. So we went back through Traverse Trail, dalawang trail kasi yan. So ayun, during that time we were questioning our life decision kung tama ba talaga yung decision namin mag-hike kasi grabe talaga yung mga bato yung sa Traverse. Diba dalawang trail yan, yung back trail and Traverse. And Traverse yung pinili namin para ma-experience namin lahat. And ayun nga, grabe talaga yung mga bato. Umabot na kami sa point na kailangan mo umupo para lang makababa ka. And may part kasi dyan na parang clay yung lupa and medyo madulas siya. So, super hirap niya. So, I guess gets ko na yung mga taong sinasabing hindi pang beginner ang Mariglam. So, grabe talaga tong pababa na to. Nakakaloka.
So, from that summit, we go down from that until here. And they call it cycling routes.
natin ang Mount Mariglo mo.
Cute!
Okay.
Okay, so kung ano yung kinabilis namin umakyat sa tuktok, ganun ang kabagal namin bumaba. Kasi it was really hard, guys. Grabe, parang halos 2 hours kaming pababa. But after that, nasa River 3 na kami and it was so rewarding, honestly. The water was so cold, super perfect siyang ibabad yung paa mo after walking for how many hours. Super pahinga kami sa River 3 kasi nakakapagod talaga yung pababa na umabot pa sa point na super langoy kami dyan kasi super lamig ng tubig. So, gusto na lang namin ibabad yung buong katawan namin. But, after some time, nagpahinga lang kami like around 30 minutes. Then, after that, we went to River 2 na. So, sa River 2, dun na yung nakikita niya sa TikTok na may mga tumatalon sa river and such. So, para lang din siyang River 3. But yung River 2 is mas malapit sa base. So, chill lang kami sa River 2 kasi super pahikat na kami after the hike. So we went back around 12 p.m. na and we took kolong-kolong pa din going back. And guys, we rode the same motorcycle driver we had and it was so fun kasi parang tropa talaga namin siya. Umabot pa sa point na inikot-ikot niya pa kami dun sa place and it was so fun talaga. To end this vlog, here are my unsolicited tips when you plan to hike Mount Mariglam. Actually, here are the things I knew before hiking Mount Mariglam. So first is maputik and maalikabok siya. No one tells you on TikTok how dirty it is. So be ready. Do not wear light color clothes. Second is be physically ready kasi grabe ang peak 1, peak 2, and then ang pababa. Yung may mga problema sa tuhod, magsuot kayo ng supporters. Number 3 is invest in your equipment, especially in your shoes, kasi ang laking tulong niya. Fourth is bring a lot of cash. Walang GCash doon. So, hindi uso din ng ATM. So, cash lang talaga. Everything is cash basis. Lastly is enjoy. Of course, guys, enjoy the moment. Even na may mangyaring super smallest inconvenience, enjoy it because it's part of your journey. And fortunately, wala naman nangyari sa amin and we had a safe trip naman. So, I am very thankful for that. So, I think that's all for my Mount Mariglam hike. So, if you reach this part, thank you so much for watching and see you on the next vlog.